know that CAC registration alone is not sufficient? If you want to be a legally compliant business owner in Nigeria, you need much more than CAC registration. First thing you need to consider is being a registered tax owner in Nigeria. So you can remit taxes at the right time every other year. To know why you need to remit taxes, first thing is you need to show that you are a serious business owner, a legit business owner. And for your visa, when you're going to the abroad, you need to show these documents that yes, this business is legally compliant and should be granted this visa. Another thing you should consider, annual returns. Mind you, tax is different from annual returns. You also need to remit your annual returns to the Corporate Affairs Commission. So if you registered your business last year or 2 years ago, you're due for annual returns. And if you registered 10 years ago and you have never ever filed annual returns, sorry to burst your bubble, but your CAC account would show inactive, and to prospects to that embassy, you look like an unserious business owner. That's one side. Next thing you should consider is a trademark protection. You should think of it alongside your LLC or business name registration. Trademark protects your brand name. Trademark protects your logo. Trademark protects your slogan. So you don't just register with the CAC and relax. Somebody else can use that name. But with your trademark rights, you are protected. You got that name locked up for you in that business area. As an artist or someone in the entertainment industry or a creative, if you have registered your say your record label, your entertainment industry business name with the CAC, you should also consider copyright protection of your songs, your book, creative and artistic works. Mind you, also copyright registration isn't compulsory, but you should consider copyright registration to protect that creative work and to show or prove ownership before any other person, especially if you're going to have to prove before the court of law. If you're still following, hold on here. Next thing you should consider is your industry compliance. If you are in a particular industry, for instance, if you're in the real estate industry, you need to register what they call REDA. If you are in an aviation industry, you need to register with your aviation department. If you are in the legal industry, if you're in the medical industry, if you're in the nursing industry, if you're in the engineering industry, you need to register with all of these sectors. And if you're into exports, import and export, you should register with NEPC. If you're also into food, drugs, perfumery, cosmetics, NAFDAC registration. So if you're going into federal government contracts, there's a list of documents you need to show before they can give you that contract you're bidding for. You need to show your tax clearance certificate, you need to show your BPP, you need to also show your PENCOM certificate. You need to declare that none of your directors are all members of the BPP. Okay, so you can't get it all right at once, but with the right guy, with a lawyer by your side holding you through the process, you will definitely get it right. It's good to get it right at once than to suffer penalties for not getting it right. Okay, if you need to know more about what you need to do after CAC registration, you need to get in touch with a business lawyer, and I'll be glad to help you. I am Omotayo Abiode, an intellectual property lawyer, a business lawyer, and an entertainment lawyer in Nigeria.